friends, Miss Hewitt here, and today we're going to be doing a fun math task that originally we were going to be doing in the classroom, but because of everything going on, I'm now just going to upload it onto YouTube for you. So originally, if you remember, we were going to be doing around the world multiplication before all this happened, where we would visit different task stations or task cards, and it would be somewhere like New Zealand or Spain or Mexico, and you would do the problem there, and then you get to write it down in one of these cute little passports. So you write down your answer, and then you visit all the countries. But unfortunately, we're just, we're going to have to improvise. We got to be flexible. So today I'm taking you to New Zealand. I know you can't read it, so I'm going to read it for you. And then we're going to work it out on our board together. So after I read the problem to you, if you think that you can do it on your own, then kudos to you. I want you, like Miss Crisp says, to mash that space bar, pause the video, work it out yourself, and then come back, hit play when you have finished working it out, and we can do it together. So, and you can check your answer. So now I'm going to read you the problem from New Zealand. It says, moa birds were large birds that were native to New Zealand, now extinct. For every foot in height, they weighed approximately 42 pounds. If a moa bird was usually around 12 feet tall, what was their weight? So again, I'm going to read it one more time for you. If moa birds were large birds that were native to New Zealand, they're now extinct. For every foot in height, they weighed approximately 42 pounds. If a moa bird was usually around 12 feet tall, what was their weight? So go ahead and hit pause if you already know how to do this. I think a few of you will already know how to do it. So go ahead and hit pause and then join me again when you have, or when you've solved, and we can check your problem. All right? So once you've gotten back, I just want to show you, I'm wearing my ECU shirt today. It says ECU Dad. I just thought you guys would enjoy it. Obviously, I'm not a dad. I'm Miss Hewitt, but I just thought it was something funny to wear today. So now let's go ahead and get into solving our problem. I'm going to try to figure out how I can show you my board while I'm working. So you got to be patient with me. But we know that a moa bird is 12 feet tall. And then for 1 foot, it equaled 42 pounds. For every foot in height, they weighed approximately 42 pounds. So 12 feet tall, 1 foot equals 42 pounds. Wow, I wonder what we're going to do here. I want you to think about it. For 12 feet tall, and for each foot, it's 42 pounds. We're trying to find the total weight of a moa bird. If you're thinking we're going to multiply 12 feet by 42, then you would be right. So let's do, I'm going to put 42 on top just because why not? 42 times 12. So I set it up in the standard algorithm just to put it all together. But what I'm actually going to do is use the area model just because I think that's best for showing our work. So I'm going to go ahead and make my square. Make it nice and big so I have plenty of room. And I'm going to divide it down the middle. When we break up in area models, remember we break up into place values. So I'm going to have 2 boxes on top and then 2 boxes on the side. So I've got 40 plus 2 because that gives me 42. And right here I'm going to have 10 and 2 because I'm breaking up into my place value. All right, so now we're going to solve our area model. So together, 10 times 40, I just think of that as 1 times 4, which gives me 4, and then I add in those 2 zeros, from 1 0 for my 40 and 1 0 for my 10. 40 times 10 is 400. Then I'm going to move over to 10 times 2. I know 10 times 2 is 20, just based off my multiplication facts I got up here. And then now I'm going to move down to 2. 2 times 40. Well, I know that 2 times 4 is 8. So I'm going to write down 8, and I'm going to add in my 0, and I get 80. So 40 times 2 is 80. And then I've got 2 times 2, and I just know that's, say it with me, 4. So now I've got this square. Am I done? Is this it? No, I've got to add it all up together. So I'm going to do 40 plus 80 plus 20 plus 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 2 is 10. So I put my 0 down and I carry my 1. Oh, that's ugly, and I want to show it to you. So I was just going to show you how I carry my 1, which I know you guys know. I carried my 1 over to my 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. So now I have 504 as being my answer. So 504 though, you know I like to say 504 what? 504 avocados, 504 dogs, 504 Miss Hewitts. Like, what is it? And you should, if we refer back to the problem, the question said, if a moa bird was usually around 12 feet tall, what was their weight? So it's 504 pounds. Say lbs for short. Then I'm going to circle my answer. So there you go. If you had already solved this on your own, I hope you also got 504 pounds. Miss Hewitt is going to work on her handwriting day by day. So then for our little passport, I would have put 504 pounds for the answer. So join us, or join me, your tour guide through around the world multiplication for our next country, which is going to be South Africa. Bye guys, have a good day.